大家好，这是邓老师. Welcome everybody. This audio lesson is on Pinyin and some Pinyin rules. Okay, Pinyin, as we're getting to learn it, is a little bit difficult, but once you figure out these rules, it'll help you a lot in the future. Okay, so with compound Pinyin, I noticed in your workbooks a lot of you were making this mistake. E and O, these two compounded, make the sound you, E-O, you, okay, but you guys are writing it I-O-U, and that's not how it's written. It's written you, I-U, E-O, you, okay, that's how it's written, you. Now, the next one is U and A added together. It makes the sound wait, but you're writing it as U-E-I, and that's not a pinyin final. This is the pinyin final to represent that sound. Wait, okay? Wait. Now that you know that, we can move on. And when you have pinyin that doesn't have a consonant initial, there's only the final sound. Okay, for example, E, as in the number 1, E. You can't just write the final. You need to have an initial, so we use Y, even though it's silent. So it's E, okay? You got that? Moving on, U also has the same problem. Sometimes you'll hear the sound oo, as in number 5. Oo, okay? That's the U sound, oo. But you must write an initial, so we put a W for the initial sound that will precede this pinyin sound, oo, okay? And lastly, for the funky looking U, this sometimes is a standalone sound in pinyin, yu, but it is expressed with a silent Y, okay? So that's the same sound, yu. You see, there's no dots because anytime you see a Y and a U together, it's always the same sound. You. Okay? Alright, so these are some basic pinyin rules that I want you to master and memorize. You can find more rules on page 26 of your textbook that will tell you where to put the tone marks. Okay, when you have a tone mark, whether it's E, or the second tone, rising tone, third tone, the dipping tone, or the fourth tone, the dropping tone. Okay, it's going to tell you where to write it in pinyin. So I would suggest you read this on how to write proper pinyin with tone marks. Alright, so this concludes our video lesson on some pinyin rules, and I hope you get a chance to listen to it because it's all very important information. Alright, thank you very much, and I'll see you in class next week.